Hello everyone, my name is Varun and today in this video we are going to create a CRUD application in React. So let me first share a demo of the application with you. So I hope that from CRUD application you understand that we are going to perform most common operations that we can have in any application. The one is C for stand for create, that is to create something. Read application is for reading the stuff from the database or from anywhere. Q stands for update operation and D stands for delete operation. So for creating this CRUD app, I have decided to create a basic user management app where I can add my user, I can update my user, I can see the list of all my users and delete a particular user. So if you look at the screen, you can see that I have a add user form, and here let me add some data. Let's say it's varun@gmail.com, Varun, and this is the test bio. Clicking on add user, you can see that I have added a user, and below you can see the listing of the data that I have added, right? Similarly, let's add one more, Varun 2, Varun 2. This is another bio. Let's click on add user. So you can see that the another user is also added in the list. So in the list, you can see there are two buttons. One is update user and another one is delete user. So now let me click on update user. All right. So clicking on update user, you can see that it has updated the UI. Now I have Varun 2, Varun 2, and this is another bio pre-filled in my form. Now let's update it with Varun P, and this is bio 2, right? And now let's click on update user. All right, guys. So you can see that this data is updated in this listing, right? So we have now performed three operations. We have seen the C for create operation, adding the user. We have seen the read operation where I can show you the listing of the data. Similarly, just now I have shared the update operation with you. Now let's focus on delete user. So clicking on the delete button will delete this current row automatically. Alright guys, so you can see that I have clicked on the delete user and it has deleted that particular row. But in reality, if I talk about delete user, it is not a good practice to directly delete the user without any confirmation from the user. Right? So the best practice is you should have a model which will ask you that are you sure you want to delete this user? If yes, then only delete that user. Alright guys, similarly I can delete this user also. So this is the bare minimum application that I have created in React. I hope that you will like this complete course on creating the CRUD application. So let's get started.